Good morning and welcome to Futures and Charts. Today is August 2nd. It's about 7:26 Montana time. And just have a quick look at the fuel markets here. Looks like we're giving back between yesterday and today. We're giving back a bunch of that kind of a knee-jerk reaction in the oil market for that Hamas leader being killed. We have yet to have any retaliation as far as I know. So things are settling back down. Which is a good thing if you're a buyer for sure. And let's look at the grain futures. Here we go. So wheat's still kind of struggling, not really doing too much. Corn seems to be up, soybeans are up a bit. I guess there was a sale to China. I think it was 132 million metric ton. And which I guess is not that big of a purchase, just a standard purchase. So, but it is giving it a bump a little bit, it looks like. So, wheat's up just a tick, and but I think the main thing I wanted to talk about today is if you are in the cattle market, the feeder cattle have, and I'm sure if you're watching this, has broken through. I drew a couple of trend lines on here, and no matter how you draw it, it has broken through support. And obviously there's a few other lows here that it could test, but previous low is back here from back in the middle of April, and that's looking at like the 244 range. So it could want to try to go down and test that. So just so you're aware that that has broken support and probably looks like it wants to go lower. So anyway, so let's take a look at the wheat chart here. It is still trying to curve up a little bit here. So let me draw a little line on here. And it looks like if it stays up in this range, we've actually broken through that recent trend, and it looks like it's got a kind of an indecisive candle going so far. So it remains to be seen the rest of the day, and it's Friday, so who knows? People may not want to set up too much of a trade going into the weekend, so it might just stay right here where it's at. But if it does, that means we've stayed above this trend line, so which could be good news. We definitely need to have some kind of a reversal in this wheat market. So anyway, it just let's keep our fingers crossed and hope this thing goes back up. And one more look at the diesel markets. Things are, like I say, settling back down. Looks like we're down about almost 4 cents on diesel. So let's probably a good idea to just let this thing settle and see if anything happens. We haven't taken back quite all of what it jumped up. I don't think it's getting close, but it'll probably settle back into that range where it was at. So that's all I've got for you today. Definitely wanted to show you that feeder cattle market, and it's losing support like that, so it'd be something to be aware of. So anyway, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the future. Please subscribe, that'd be awesome. Thanks.